In this video, I will show you how you can import media in Davinci Resolve. It is actually very simple and you just need to follow a few things to import media. Now to import media in Davinci Resolve, you can be in any one of these three tabs. The first tab is the media tab, the second is the cut tab, and then you have the edit tab. You can call it anything else too, I'm just calling it tab. So here in this media tab, you can simply right click here and then click import media. You can also import an entire bin. A bin is just like a folder. You can simply hit import media and you will be prompted to this window. This is basically a file explorer. You can navigate to any folder you want to and then simply select whatever files you want in the program. So this is one way. You can simply go to any destination and simply click the file and then press OK, and your file is going to be imported in the program. The other way is actually pretty obvious too. You can simply hit Ctrl I and this is going to do the exact same thing, and you can simply navigate to any location on your computer from here and go to the file you want to import. Simply click it and press open and it is going to be present here. The last way that I would like to show you is by dragging the files. Now here is the destination of that file. It is in my Windows drive and the folder is PS4 Pro Liquid Metal, and there is the file. So I can simply drag it like this and leave it in the program and it is going to get dragged here and it is going to get imported. It is actually that simple to import files. So that is how you import files in Davinci Resolve. If you want to learn more about Davinci Resolve, please subscribe to the channel. And in the upcoming video, I'm going to show you how you should get this file onto your timeline and what are the settings that you should be using. So if you are new here and if you want to learn the program, if you are not aware of how things work here in Davinci Resolve, simply hit the subscribe button and watch the other content on the channel to learn more about this program.